Hi, my name's Rocky Browne from Transwest Truck, Trailer, and RV at Belton, Missouri. And I've got a truck here I want to show you today. It's kind of one of our, it's different what we usually carry, but we do have this one available. It's a 2024 Frightliner M2106 Plus. So what we do with this truck, we get the cabin chassis, we put a custom interior in it, and we just put some basic boxes and some legal tail light assemblies on it. It's for more of a just expediting truck. Let's take a look at it real quick. So it does come equipped with the 8.9 ISL Cummins engine with the Allison 3200 transmission, and we got the nice alloys on it. We have this, the interior done by a local upholstery shop, does a very nice job for us. We don't really go over the top on these trucks. We wanted to keep the pricing down on them for you, but we still want to make them nice looking and comfortable on the inside. So on the bed, we don't put a bed on these. This is buyer's toolboxes. They're 4 foot in length. And we got a walking plank so you can actually walk on top in between the frame rails. And we do leave the hitch placement open depending on what kind of hitch you're going to put on it. And also we put the full fenders in it. And the light bar in the back is something that we add on. We have to do a little customization on that also. So just to let you know, these are just not bolt-on applications. We have to make some brackets for them. Our guys are really good welders, and we weld them, and so they mount up and they look nice. We don't do very many of these trucks. We do about maybe half a dozen a year. And the people really seem to like them. Try to keep the pricing down. So basically what we do is take a base cabin chassis and we do our own custom build on it here locally, and so that way we can get more trucks down the road. So if you have any questions on this truck, give me a call. My name's Rocky Browne, 816-400-9179, and my email is rocky.browne@transwest.com. But we do have another truck coming in. We have not had one of these for sale for quite some time. It's a 2024 Frightliner M2112, which has got the DD13. It's going to be in a Laredo package. So I will do a video on that probably next week. So keep an eye out on our videos. And thanks a lot. Have a great holiday and have a safe one also. Thank you.